Hello everyone, welcome to my channel TechRacks. In today's video, we are going to calculate duplicate numbers from an array. So let's declare our numbers array, const numbers. Here if you calculate 7 is repeated 4 times, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the count of 7 is nothing but 4. Let's declare one more variable which is count. We are initializing it as an object. Now let's declare our function named calculate. Call this function calculate, and here we need to pass numbers array as a parameter, which we need to accept here as an argument. Now we need to iterate this numbers array using for each method. For each method calls a function for each element in an array. Numbers dot for each is nothing but our element from this array. We are going to check if count of e, that means if our element is present in our count object, then we need to increment it by 1, which is count of element plus plus. Otherwise we are going to set count is equal to 1. Now let's console this count. Here you can see we got object which consists key and value. So our key is nothing but array elements from our numbers array, and the value is nothing but its count. So if you see, all the array values have count 1 except the 7. So 7 has count 4. Let's modify this. For example, if interviewer asks you to print the number whose count is greater than given range, let's declare the range, which is const range is equal to 3, and pass this range as the second parameter to calculate function. Accept that range here. Now you need to check if 7 has count greater than 3, then we need to print it. So for let prop in count object, prop is nothing but property. I'm taking this as a variable. Foreign loop is used for iterating objects. It gives key and value from the object. Now if count of property is greater than range, console.log that property. So let me run this. You got 7 here. So 7 has count greater than our range. which is nothing but 3. That's why we got 7 consoled here. If you want to push the elements from the numbers which has range greater than 2, then you can change the range here, which is 2. Let me just modify our array. So add 8 and 6, and if we need to give output in an array format, then declare one more variable, which is const counter, and inside this if statement we need to push each prop in that counter array. Counter dot push prop, let me clear and run this. Oh, sorry, just console log here. Counter, yeah. So here we got three values, 6, 7 and 8. So those values from this array have range greater than 2. Now we can see these numbers are in string format here. So if we need to convert it into the integer format, we can parse int here this property and run the code again. So now we got it in a number format, and we can return our counter from our function and console log this calculate function here. Run this code again. So we got our expected output, which is nothing but 6, 7 and 8, which has length or count greater than 2. So this is the way you can calculate duplicate numbers in an array. Please do like and share this video and subscribe to my channel TechRacks. Thank you.